How to find your user ID on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your user ID on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner, and here you will find account management, and then click here, personal information, click on it. You can find it here, or just click personal information, and here you will find it. And that's it. That's how to find your user ID. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.